Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to change the mushroom or puck light, as some call it. So the easiest way to do this, whether or not this is a push button or just a standard switch button power source, you just twist these little guys off like this, pull down. This cover right here is plastic, whether or not, like I said, it's push button or just a standard, it's going to be plastic. They do make them in glass. They do come off the same way, they just look a little bit different. So you twist them off. You have 3 screws on here like so. You'll pull that guy right out of the roof. There's going to be 2 or ceiling rather, there's going to be 2 wires on the top of it. You just cut the wires, replace it with the new light. Obviously you're going to want to put the cover back on once you are done, and you just twist her on there clockwise like so. She's good to go. Any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.